this setup from the chiller to the tank. This is a first step. We use this chiller to probe the ethanol temperature from room temperature to -40. In 30 minutes, we can provide you 50 liters cold ethanol with a -40 degree. This setup consists of a chiller with -40 degree and also a tank, 50 liters. So within 30 minutes, half hour, we can pull the temperature from room temperature to -40 for the 50 liters ethanol. This is our first step. Because usually we use the cooled ethanol for extraction. We need to prepare the cooled ethanol in advance so that we can save time for extraction. All the tank materials is stainless 304, stainless steel 304, with all the valves to control the come in and out of the cooled ethanol. After finishing cooling up the ethanol in this tank, we can pull the ethanol to the centrifuge, 60 liters centrifuge.